What's going on, y'all? Jupiter Bassin. So got a little video for you guys today. Today is going to be an unboxing for some Abu Garcia products. So I have been a huge fan of Abu Garcia for a while. Had quite a few of their reels. I actually started out with a Abu Garcia Black Max. Was one of my first bait casters that I ever had. Awesome reel for the price, a budget beast for sure. I think I picked it up at Walmart a long time ago. And I kept that for a long time and it worked great. It was a great reel for me. So ever since then I figured, hey, if their lower end, beginner products are really good, then their stuff down the line is going to be great. And that's when I started, just picking up Revo X's. And I really enjoyed the Revo X's, the older ones. I still have a few of them that I use today from the original ones. And I picked up, as you guys saw in my video, which I'll link up here, I did a review on the Revo X5 Gen 5. So the first product that we picked up is actually going to be another Revo X, and this is going to be the Revo SX. And so we'll go ahead and take this baby out, and then I'll kind of go over why I picked this one up. So first off, let's take this baby out, check it out here. And I really like the look of it. It's smooth, has kind of like a copper color to it on the handle, as well as the spool. And it's just a really nice looking reel. I really like how this bends over, because it feels really nice in your hand when you're palming it. It feels good. And I really like that about just the regular Revo X, the other one. And so this one, I really liked using that 7.3 for throwing crankbaits, chatterbaits, and I wanted one that's a little slower. I wanted a workhorse reel that I could kind of slow down. This has a 90mm handle, so it's nice for cranking and just overall being a good workhorse reel. Now, I want to get more into throwing deep diving crankbaits. I just want to kind of work some of my crankbaits a little slower, even chatterbaits. And I really don't have anything in the 6s anymore. I've been more of a higher gear ratio guy over the past few years, ranging from like 7 to like 8 or 9. And I just wanted a slower reel, and especially with throwing spinnerbaits. I mean, spinnerbaits, I really want to have that slower reel, slower retrieve to go ahead and run that spinnerbait. You get too fast with a spinnerbait, blades get caught up, kind of wants to rise to the surface or turn on its side, kind of. So you lose a lot of that action that you would have with it. So I picked this one up. It's 6-7 to 1. And obviously I'm left-handed. I believe this is an aluminum frame reel. And it is a centrifugal braking system. And just overall, it's a nice reel. I mean, every Revo X that I've had so far I really like. And this looks sharp. I mean, it's just a great low profile. It doesn't stand out too much like the other ones, like silver and orange, and I believe the Revo STX is like a silver and red. I might get the Revo STX, we'll see, but this was on sale on Bass Pro. I think it was like around 130, 140 bucks, and I believe this one retails for like 190. So really good deal on it. I couldn't pass it up, and like I said, I wanted a slower gear ratio to kind of work into throwing a little bit deeper cranks and just a nice smooth reel. I mean, this thing is like butter. So we're gonna go ahead and do a video where we test this out on the water. So I'm looking forward to that. Hope you guys are gonna be ready for that and enjoy it. If you guys have this, let me know your thoughts in the comments on the Revo X. I think they're really great reels, just the whole series. And so far, Abu in general has been really good. All of my Abu Garcia products have been really good for me. Alright, y'all, so the next thing we picked up was actually this combo. And I'm actually really excited about this. And let's see if we can get it in the frame. The lab isn't too big to go ahead and hold this reel. So, this is actually it's the Veritas with the Zeta combo. And if you guys can look, I'll bring it up closer for you. But it is a nice spinning combo. I mean, this is actually the last gen, so I believe that's why it's on sale. But just really nice. So you have this Veritas, the PTX rod, and it is a two-piece. That is the one thing that I was a little upset about, was with it was a two-piece. but still like a really nice setup. So this is a medium fast action, or it's a medium rod with fast action on it. And I plan on using this definitely for like live scope throwing some of these baits. As you guys see, I got the finisher on here. Looking forward to using that for the first time. I've never used that. And then I have it set up with 20-pound Super Slick Power Pro 8 or Super Slick 8 Power Pro braid. It is like the, I think it's called like electric green or something green, but I mean it's a very high vis line. And then I just have a little fluoro leader on here, but I'm looking forward to using this. The quality of it, let me see if I can bring this around so you guys can take a better look at the reel itself, but it's really nice. Nice handles on it. Let me see what the gear ratio is on this. It should be pretty standard on it. So it's a 6:1 gear ratio, and it is 11 ball bearings in it. Or yeah, 11 bearings. And yeah, I mean, if you could feel this rod, I know it's a 2-piece, but it is extremely light, and just tapping on the end of it is a very sensitive rod. So I'm really looking forward to throwing this using live scope. And we'll also do a review video on this setup. A lot of you guys I know that have been watching my channel, you know, in previous Abu Garcia videos that I've done. You guys have been awesome with your support for those videos. So I know you guys really like the Abu Garcia products, so that's why I wanted to test these out for you. So we're definitely going to do a video on this. And I believe one of my subscribers actually told me they actually purchased this combo on sale previously. So I believe this is a $300 combo, and I got it for like less than 30% of the actual cost, which is amazing. So really excited about that, and we'll go ahead and dive into the next Abu Garcia product that we picked up. Alright y'all, so the last one we picked up is actually another combo, and it is the another Zeta combo. It is actually just the baitcaster version of the same combo we picked up. This is, however, a 1-piece, and it is a medium heavy rod with a fast action on this Veritas reel. And you know, we got a little just a little jerk bait here on the end of it. But as you guys can see, I mean, that white looks really nice, and there is no coincidence. I definitely wore this white because you got the white combos, you got to wear the white shirt. So I am a little worried about dirt with these combos. I have heard things about, you know, the handles as well as the rods getting really dirty fast. So that is my one worry, but hey, we're fishing. We don't care about that. But I do have set up on here. I have some 12-pound fluoro. Just a preference of mine for throwing a jerkbait. I like 12-pound fluoro. And yeah, it's just a sweet looking little reel. And I believe this is a 7.3. Let me see if I could find it on here. And this is 11 bearings as well. It is, it's got to say somewhere on here on the, oh, you know what? I think it's on the top whenever I look at these. Oh, no, it's here on the handle. So it is a 7 1-to-1. But it's just a nice looking combo. I really like it. Looks really good. And this one was the same. It was normally $300 and got it for around $100 for this. So another awesome setup. I'm excited to use these, as well as I've had a few of the Veritas lines of rods, and they've been great to me. I really haven't had any issues, and I'm excited to get out and use this stuff. So there are 3 videos coming your way on reviews on these products, but I just wanted to do a little unboxing video to show you guys. If you guys have any questions on these setups or anything for me, leave them down in the comments. And we're actually gonna do a giveaway starting in November. So I believe this video will be out very soon. So in November, my video that I will be posting the start of November will actually have the details on the giveaway, and we'll go ahead and get that started. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Until next time, y'all, peace.